So you may find many times while you're mixing in a project that you want to copy the same automation level to another section. And sometimes the sections aren't going to be the same length that you're trying to copy and paste. And while you can go through and you can click on the nodes and find out what the exact numbers are and try to drag the nodes around to the numbers that match other parts of the song, I find that to be real tedious. And I found a way that you can copy and paste really quick the same levels and get a lot of work done quickly. So what I do here, you can see I've got a first verse and a second verse, and I want to have the same setting or the same level on my volume automation on the first verse as I do the second verse. And while in this situation they are the same length, so I could technically go into grid mode, copy and paste, I still want to show you a different way to do that in case maybe the second verse is twice as long or something like that, or the first verse is twice as long. So the way that I do that is while I am viewing the automation view for that track that I want to copy, I'll highlight a section, and then on a Mac I'll press Command C, and on a PC of course that's Control C for copy. And then the trick is then I will highlight the section that I want to match that level to, and I will press Option Command V on a Mac, which is Control Alt V on a Windows machine. And what that'll do is that'll do paste to fill. So you can see here I've got that exact same level or same volume now in that section that I selected. And what it did was, although I just copied a small little section, it just kept looping it to fill that selection that I made. So now I have that section set to be the exact same level as the verse over here. So if I wanted to do the same thing with the chorus over here, again, this time I'm just going to even select just a little part where I like the volume, Command C, because I'm on a Mac, and again, that'd be Control C if you're on a PC. And then I'm going to highlight, actually that's the second half of the verse is what that is. But I'll press Option Command V, and you'll see that it went ahead and pasted that same level. And if all these additional nodes bother you in the automation, it's real easy to just delete those. So I just selected those and just pressed delete on the keyboard. Anyway, I hope you find that tip useful. Thanks.